Hello friends, this is Amit, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. Here we have a short video based on pie charts. So let's quickly see a question. Okay, so we can see that there are three charts given which shows the imports of different commodity. These three charts shows the imports of different commodity in different years. As you can see that it has been given for fiscal year 60-61, 70-71 and 80-81. Okay, and the total amount is given in crores of rupees. That is first is 1795 crore, second is 1634 crore, and third that is third fiscal year, which is showing it is 12549 crore rupees. And the distribution of different commodities have been given in with different colors, like consumer goods, raw material, capital goods and others. With different colors it has been represented, and the representation is done in the form of degrees, that is 60 degree, 36 degree, 18 degree and 246 degree. In total there are 360 degree in a circle which has been divided into different degrees. Right now we need to see the question which has been asked. The question says that if textile machinery accounted for 14% of capital goods in 70-71, so which chart they are talking about? They are talking about the chart of 70-71. It means this one, right? This chart they are talking about, right? Okay, so they are saying that if textile machinery accounted for 14% of the capital goods in 70-71, so capital goods is what? Capital goods is this green color. Here in green color, this is capital goods. Out of this total capital goods, they are saying that 14% is textile machinery. So we can see that 14% from it, let's suppose this much area, right? This is, they told that this is, let's suppose this is 14% of the total capital goods. So they are saying from among the capital goods 14% is what? It's textile machinery, right? So what they are saying then, and in which 210 textile units of same kind were purchased. It means that this textile machinery contains 210 textile units. Okay, so what is the price of each unit of textile machinery? So they are asking that then what will be the price of each? So the question says that from this section, that is capital goods, 14% is the part of textile machinery, and in that textile machinery the in total 210 textile units have been purchased, right? 210 textiles. So what is the price for each textile unit in rupees million? This is very important that it is given that in rupees million they are asking the question. Okay, and the total import has been given in crores of rupees, right? So you should know first, you should first of all convert this thing from crores to millions. So you should know that 1 crore, that is 1 crore rupees, right, is equivalent to 10 million, is equivalent to 10 million. This you should know, because 1 million contains 10 lakhs and 10 million contains 100 lakhs, and 100 lakhs is equal to 1 crore. So 1 crore will be equal to 10 million. Okay, so it means that if here it is given 1634 crore is the total import, so it will become how much? 16 for 70-71 is 16340 million, right? 10 we just need to add to convert it into millions of rupees, correct? Okay, now we will solve the question step by step. So to solve this question step by step, what we need to do, first of all we will calculate that what will be the total amount, that total import value. See, first we should write this in millions, that is 1634, this is crores is given total, so 16340 million, right? We should write it 16340 million, right? instead of 1634. So only one chart will be used, and because the question is based on only this chart side, right, so we'll be taking care of this one only. So here it is saying that 90 degree, how much capital goods contains? Capital goods contains 90 degree of the total 360 degree. So what will be the total import value for capital goods? First find out this thing. So capital good will be 90 degree out of total 360 degree. So 90 out of 360, and what is the total amount? That is total import value, that is 1634 million, right? This will be the value for total import of that total capital goods in rupees million. It will come out in rupees million, correct? Okay, I am not solving it as I have to get the final answer. So I will, what I will do, I will solve it finally. I mean, I will calculate it first and then I will solve it. So this is the amount which is, if we will solve it, we will get the amount that is of capital goods. Now from this amount, 14% is textile machinery. This is the total capital goods for total capital goods, right, for the year. Total capital goods for the year 7071, right? This total amount, and from this 14% is what? 14% is textile machinery. So what will be the value for textile machinery? That is 14% of this value. And if we need to find 14% of this value, how to find it? 14% of this value will be 14 upon 100 multiplied by this value. So this value is how much? 90 by 360 multiplied by 16340, correct? So this is the total textile machinery. This is the amount for total textile machinery, correct? Now this is the total import done for textile machinery, and among this textile machinery, what has been done? 210 textile units of same kind were purchased. It means the 210 textile units cost this much. So, and they are asking price for each textile unit. So if this is the cost for 210 textile units, right, this is the cost for 210 textile units, then the cost for one textile unit will be, we need to divide this value by 210. So for one textile unit, one textile unit will be equal to 14 upon 100 multiplied by 90 by 360 multiplied by 16340, and we need to divide this whole value by 210. So divided by 210. So then we will get the final value of one textile unit. Now we can solve it, right? We can easily solve it. 9 into 4, 90 into 4 is 360, right? And we can subtract it by 2. So 2 will come here and this will become 7, right? And we know 7 into 3 is 21. So this will become 30. 7 into 30 is 210, right? And this 0 we can cancel out, right? And we can cancel out this thing 3. This is 7, 3, 10 and 14, right? So we can cancel out with 2. This will become 817, right? 817 upon 3, and 100 is left here. So 100 we can directly in the last, we can put a decimal point before 2 places. So we can cancel out with 3. It will become 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 21. 7 is 21 and 1 is 7. That is 21 and 21, and then 3 we are did, so it will come 2. That is 6, right? And then we'll get 3 and so on. So this is the value we got. so divided that is till 2 decimal place, it's fine, because 7 2 and then dot we need to place, because only that 1 is left. So 272.3 it is coming something, right? And 100 is left here, so we can divide it by 100, right? So finally what we are getting, we need to place a decimal point before 2 places, so it will become 2.72. and since we have already converted this value into crores, from crores to millions, so this answer will be in millions, 2.72 millions. Okay, so this is the value coming for one textile unit, so our answer will become option C, that is 2.7 million, right? Okay, hope you have understood it. It is very interesting question, and see, the trick behind this question is this, that instead of solving at each step, like here I have calculated in the first step I have calculated the amount for capital goods, right? If I would have solved it at here itself, then the answer would have come in some we need to solve it, so we would have wasted some time in solving it. Then on the second step we would have solved it, and we would have wasted some time. And so what I did, I kept the calculation as it is at first step, at second step, because I know that at the final step I need to calculate it. So at the final step I have calculated it and got the answer. So this is a bit faster technique to calculate it. Clear? Thank you everyone.